Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Ryan's Premiere Pro and Photoshop tutorials. If you guys do me a favor, smash that like button if this does help you, because this is really, in my opinion, the most effective way to get whatever type of item that you want into Photoshop or whatever type of art or shape that you're going for. So I just find this the easiest way. So let me just get started. Let me go ahead and open up a new window here of Google Chrome. So all you're gonna do is, for my instance, I want to add a speech bubble around this, but I am not a good artist, so if I try to do that, it's gonna look really unprofessional. So all I have to do is, you'll be able to find loads of packages. So what we're gonna type in is whatever object that you're trying to add plus shapes Photoshop free download. I spelled it wrong here, I spelled shader, but you're gonna wanna say shapes, and then from there you can find some of them you have to pay for, but you can choose the less detailed ones to find which ones are actually going to give you the free download. You can choose between a lot of different speech bubbles, and there will be websites that ask you to buy, so you just gotta kind of look around and find the free ones, because there's plenty of free packages and stuff that will work for what you're looking for. Perfect. So right here at Brush Easy, I was able to find one. It's a free download because it's not too advanced. So once you have your download, sketchy bubbles, drag that to where you want it. I want mine to go to my emojis, actually, and then in my emojis I have my sketchy bubbles now, and boom. I choose to have, here, we'll go ahead and turn it to, that'll be kind of nice. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I just had to flip horizontal. If you're having trouble flipping your image horizontal, if you don't see that option like I had sometimes, it doesn't show me as well, then you would just simply go to Edit, Transform, and then just flip horizontal. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram, so if you guys would like to reach out to me on those as well, I can always talk to you there. But appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one.